Now come to the next question of the same topic, accounting treatment of goodwill in case of admission of a new partner. Now see the question, I am giving one question, just go through the question first and then we will discuss it and thereafter we will do the solution. Thereafter we will solve it. The question is, A and B were partner in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. A and B are partners in a firm. They share profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C as a new partner. They admit C as a new partner for 3/7 share of profit. 3/7 share of profit. The new profit sharing ratio, new ratio between them is 2:2:3. This is the new profit sharing ratio. This one is the old ratio. This is the old ratio. And this one is the new ratio between the three partners after admission. C brought rupees 2 lakh as capital. As capital he has given rupees 2 lakhs and 1,50,000 as premium for goodwill. For goodwill he has given rupees 1,50,000. 2 lakh as capital and 1,50,000 as premium for goodwill. Half of their premium was withdrawn by A and B from the firm. Half of the goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner from the firm. Calculate sacrificing ratio and pass journal entries for the above transaction in the books of the firm. So we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio first because old ratio and new ratio has given, then we have to find out the sacrificing ratio first. So sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. We'll apply this one. So in case of A, old ratio is 3/5 and new ratio is 2/8. Sorry, 2/7. 2/7. In case of B, old ratio is 2/5. 2/5 minus 2/7. So the LCM is 35. (11 by 35). 4/35. 4/35. So sacrificing ratio is 11:4. Sacrificing ratio between them is 11:4. Now come to the accounting treatment. Bank account debit or cash account debit. Bank account debit to C's capital account. For capital, he has given the capital rupees 2 lakhs and 2 premium for goodwill for the payment of his share of goodwill. Premium for goodwill is 1,50,000. So total he has given 3,50,000 to the firm. 2 lakh for capital and 1,50,000 for goodwill. So total 3,50,000. Now this amount, premium for goodwill, will be transferred to old partner's capital account. Premium for goodwill, account debit to old partner's capital account, A's capital and B's capital in the ratio of In which ratio? In sacrificing ratio. So this amount, premium for goodwill amount, will be transferred to old partner in their sacrificing ratio. In their sacrificing ratio. And we know the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is 11:4. So 1,10,000 and 40,000. 11:4. This amount will be divided in the ratio of 11:4. 11:4. 1,10,000 and 1,40,000 respectively. And thereafter half of the amount is withdrawn by the old partner, as it is mentioned in the question. Half of their share of premium was withdrawn by the old partner. So the old partner's capital account will be debited. Old partner's A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to bank account or cash account. So half the amount is withdrawn. So half amount means half of this 1,10,000, half of 1,10,000 is 55 and half of 40 is 20. So total 75,000 is withdrawn by the old partner from the firm. So this will be the third entry. First entry is for cash account debit or bank account debit to C's capital to premium for goodwill, and second entry is this for transferring the premium for goodwill to the old partner in their sacrificing ratio, and third entry is for the withdrawal of the amount of premium which is given by the new partner. Here the half amount has withdrawn, so we have done the entry for the half amount only. Next question is, note down the question. First you note down the question in your copy and read it carefully. Thereafter you see the video. First you note down the question, read it, and thereafter you see the video, how this question is solved. So the question is, A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. They are the three partners. A, B and C are the three partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. 5:3:2. Goodwill appear in the books rupees 50,000. Goodwill appear in the books means goodwill is given in the balance sheet. Goodwill appear in the books means what? Goodwill is given in the balance sheet asset side. Goodwill appear in the books rupees 50,000 in the asset side. Okay. D is admitted to the partnership firm. D is admitted. D is the new partner who is admitted to the partnership firm for 2/10th share. Because new ratio has given, this is the old ratio, new ratio has given, that is 3:3:2:2. 2:2. This is the new ratio. Means the share in the new firm is 2/10. Okay, 2/10. Give journal entries for the goodwill if the new partners D bring 1,10,000 as capital. He has brought in the firm as capital. He has brought 1 lakh as capital, and for capital and for cash for his share of goodwill. The goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Goodwill is valued. Valuation of goodwill on the date of admission. Valuation of goodwill is given. Valuation of goodwill on the date of admission is 1,20,000. So this share of goodwill will be, this share of goodwill will be 1,20,000 is the total goodwill, and D's share in the firm is 2/10. So his share of goodwill is 24. It means D has given for his share of goodwill, that is 24,000 only. This 24. Okay. So the question is very simple. Old ratio is 5:3:2. New ratio is 3:3:2:2. D has given 1 lakh as capital and his share of goodwill, and the goodwill of the firm is valued 1,20,000. So D's share of goodwill is 1,20,000 into 2/10. 2/10 is the share of D in the new firm. So D will only bring his share of goodwill. So D's share of goodwill is 1,20,000 into 2/10, 24,000. And in the balance sheet asset side, goodwill appear in the balance sheet asset side. This one means book value of the goodwill is 50,000. So what we do first, we will find out the gain sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio, we know that the old ratio minus new ratio is the sacrificing ratio. We know it. Now we will calculate the sacrificing ratio. So first of all, A's old ratio is 5/10 and new ratio is 3/10. So 2/10. B's old ratio is 3/10 and new ratio is also 3/10. So it is 0. It is 0. Okay. 0/10. C's share is 2/10 old ratio and new ratio is also 2/10. So C is also not sacrificed. Now we'll do the entry. First entry is bank account debit to D's capital account to premium for goodwill. Premium for goodwill. So D's capital is 1 lakh. D has given 1 lakh as capital and 24,000 for his share of goodwill. Total goodwill is valued 1,20,000 and D's share is 2/10. So D will bring only his share of goodwill and D's share of goodwill is 24. So total is 1,24,000. Next entry, this amount premium for goodwill will be transferred to old partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio, and here only one partner has sacrificed. A, B and C has not sacrificed. So this amount will be transferred to only A's capital account. 24,000 will be transferred to only and only A's capital account, because in the new firm, new constituted firm, only A has sacrificed. After the reconstitution of the firm, only A has sacrificed in favor of D. So D's share of goodwill will be transferred to A's share only, A's capital account only, and the goodwill which is given in the balance sheet book value, this will be write off. So writing off this goodwill will be credit the goodwill account and debit the old partner's capital account, means A's capital account, B's capital account and C's capital account will be debited. So goodwill amount is 50,000 and this amount will be transferred or debited to this partner ABC in which ratio? in old ratio. So old ratio between them are 5:3:2. So 5 by 10. So 25,000, 3 by 10, 15, and 2 by 10. So it is 10,000. So 25, 15, and 10.